Hey, welcome to today's Daily Bread. Today we're looking at Nehemiah 8:10 out of the Old Testament. The Nehemiah 8:10 is, "The joy of the Lord is your strength." Today I want us to look at the word strength. Now, in the original language, the word strength means so much more than just strength. It means protection, fortress, and safety. So in other words, what this famous scripture is actually saying is, sadness and despair and taking your eyes off God and forgetting God and focusing on you and your faults and on everything that's going wrong in your life just leaves you open for attack from the enemy. But focusing on God and His unfailing love, now that brings you joy. And in that joy is where you find protection and safety and strength. And that joy protects you from your enemies. So you might be saying, what enemies? I have no enemies. Nobody's trying to attack me. But the reality is, you do have enemies every single day and every single minute, because something is constantly trying to invade your mind and steal your joy. Things like overwhelm or stress or lack of time or lack of money. All these things will invade your life and they'll try to take your eyes off of God. So today's tip of the day is constantly remind yourself of all the good things about God, because focusing on God brings you joy. And that joy is what strengthens you and protects you for the day ahead.